come back, come back. There's another one over there aiming across the ridge. We gotta go back. Yeah, there's a lot of them. More. Yeah. Hey. Why weren't you? You should have been guarding. Should have been guarding. I was shooting.
I was trying to shoot that guy.
No, you weren't. You didn't even raise your gun.
I did raise my fucking gun. No. No, they don't.
You don't think so?
No, they literally said it this morning. Ricochets don't count.
Oh shit. Ah, fuck. He's about to get bodied. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. Don't shoot us.
We already got looted.
What's that?
We already got looted.
Already got looted?
Yeah. Not just now.
Yeah, it was like we were back here like 20 minutes ago.
Where's popping with the Springer? Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah,
Yep, we're done.
why would we raise our hands?
Nope,
No.
he already asked us.
Check us. No. You can check if you want.
That's fair enough, man. I'll take that. You can have it. Yeah, it's a free gun.
Oh, fuck.
I just had my phone on it.
I said we should take him as a hostage for the water.
Oh, you're good.
Hey, nice ghillie.
Yes, sir. Hold this real quick.
Every time we die, it's to like 50 people.
It's the volume.
We never die. If we were like the actual like ghillie squads, like the ones
Oh,
in the
they'd
video,
be fucking dead because we can shoot through the trees and shit.
well, not only that, but we'd have LMG support. We'd have
A
dedicated
full
medics.
squad.
Yeah, we'd have dedicated medics. We'd have more firepower. We're dead. That's the problem. In two-man recon units like this, we don't have enough firepower to win these firefights. Especially since we're both riflemen.
Yeah. Really, we'd have like one sniper, one rifleman, and we would move very, very slowly.
Not only that, but we'd also move. We wouldn't like roll through places like that.
Yeah, of course.
As soon as we hear contact, we fucking run. Like,
boys there right in front of y'all.
Hey, dead men don't talk, nigga.
Come on, hey, what? It's my team.
You're dead.
And?
What do you mean and? The rules.
I don't play by the rules.
I do.
Other than getting hit.